In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Fib Speed Resistance Fan in TradingView. This tool can be incredibly useful for traders looking to identify potential areas of support and resistance by incorporating both price levels and time elements. By the end of this tutorial, you'll gain confidence in using this dynamic trading tool to enhance your technical analysis. Let's start by opening up TradingView. Once you're logged in and have selected a chart, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the left toolbar of your TradingView interface. Here, you'll locate a section called Gann and Fibonacci Tools. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing a variety of options. From this list, choose the Fib Speed Resistance Fan. This tool is specifically designed to help traders project possible support and resistance levels by using fan lines that extend out from significant price points on the chart. Next, you need to decide where to apply these fan lines. Start by clicking on a swing low on your chart. A swing low is a point where the price made a significant move upwards, reaching a low before turning. From that swing low, click and drag your cursor toward a swing high. This swing high is the opposite, where the price peaked before heading back down. By doing this, you're defining the range over which the Fibonacci fan will extend. As you release your mouse, you'll notice several lines, or fans, magically appearing across your chart. These fans are designed to provide insights into potential future support and resistance zones. You can interpret these lines by watching the price action. For instance, if the price approaches one of these fan lines, it may react as a support or resistance level, influencing your trading decisions by either validating or negating potential trade entries. Now, if you want to fine-tune these fans to better fit your analysis style or visual preference, TradingView allows customization. Simply double-click on any of the fan lines, and you're presented with a customization window. Here you can adjust the fan style, thickness, and color to match your preferences or to make them more distinguishable on your chart. Once you've finalized your customization, make sure you hit OK to apply these changes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and customize the Fib Speed Resistance Fan in TradingView. With this tool, you can analyze historical price movements and time cycles to make more informed trading decisions based on the projected areas of support and resistance. Remember, as with any technical tool, practice makes perfect. So spend some time exploring different charts and scenarios to truly master its usage. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.